Hello. All right, so this tutorial series is going to be about mastering Google My Business page, also referred to as GMB, Google My Business. So if you've heard that out there on the internet from businesses or etc., Google My Business page is a tool that Google provides. This tool allows businesses to provide their information publicly at no cost. This page is very important because it provides all the important information about your business, phone number, address, reviews, and more. So let's dive right in. Okay, so the first thing we're looking at here, this is how you access your Google My Business page. It's google.com/business. As you can see up here, you can sign in or click Manage Now, which will also prompt you to sign in if you're not already signed in. To give you an example, this right here on the right-hand side is data from Google My Business page. I'm sure you've looked up a business before or searched online for something and you saw a page pop up that looks just like this. This is all the data that comes from that page. So let's run through the basic info that we can see right now. First off, we have images. Images can be managed, created, updated, etc. for your specific business. In most scenarios, a business will change its photos or add new photos or want a specific photo to display. You can also see that Google reviews are part of Google My Business. So we can see that the reviews are here. You have options to go to the website, directions, or even save the page. So for example, if you have a favorite business you really like, you can save it so that you can easily find it again in Google. Also provides the address, the hours of operation, phone number, and some other options. For example, here, someone publicly searching for your business, for example, your dental practice per se, and they can click Ask a Question, and that can be sent directly to you to respond. Generally, this would go to your front desk, office manager, something like that to follow up. They also give the user an option to send to your phone. For example, you can send all the information about this page directly to your phone so you can save it again for future reference. And down at the bottom here, write a review, add a photo. For example, a client of yours could add a photo to this page on your behalf, basically sharing a photo that they want to. This is most common with restaurants and things like that. Somebody had a great experience or saw something neat, so they wanted to add a photo and share it related to your page. Google also provides some information about other review websites you can see down here. So you can see that, for example, on this listing, there's a company called Solution Reach that provides reviews to dentists, and it gives a number of reviews. The primary reviews that consumers look at are the Google reviews, but this is just a kind gesture from Google to allow to pull in this information. So as I said, the purpose of this first lesson number 1 in this series is to just give you an overview of what Google My Business page is, what it generally looks like, and how you can benefit from using it. I think it goes without saying the benefits of using it because all of this information is vital to new customers. And ensuring your website, your directions, and all this information is up to date and accurate and all connected properly is critical to an effective online presence. As you might know as well, we can click on any of these areas. For example, we'll click on the map. That opens up a page again that gives us all the same information, gives us a locational so we can see exactly where the business is located relative to highways, other roads, etc. And again, you can get directions from here by simply clicking. You can share this with somebody else. You'll also notice that Google does provide updates and information that are public information. So like, for example, the COVID-19 alert, this is going to be public for specific type of businesses, and Google's going to post this type of thing. And that's something that you can't control. You can't change or modify. That's just a way that Google does that. And again, if you're a consumer and you're checking out this business, you can scroll down this page and you can see more reviews. You can see all reviews, and really just gives you a lot of control of, what you display and how you display it to your potential customers. Google My Business offers all types of other controls as well. For example, there is a way to post messages directly to this area. For example, if you have a special or updates or other things happening, they can be put on here as well. So when a consumer is out looking for a new dentist and they're out searching and they come across this page and easily can access your website, they can check you out, they can research you well. This is a great starting point and a great pivot point to provide that brief, quick information, as well as to existing clients, customers that you service, because they can look you up, and generally speaking, they can pull up this page pretty easily by searching your company name and get this information, again, along with your website and any other information they'll need to contact you. So very helpful tool. And Google, I should also mention that Google is always making updates. There's always changes happening with this. So this tutorial series may become outdated pretty fast, although I am going to work at making sure it is kept up to date. And as changes are released, we'll keep adding a new video and a new information as things evolve. Okay, well, that was the first lesson in Google My Business page. Thank you for watching, and look forward to sharing the upcoming videos with you. Have a great day.